I have these chairs that go with this table over here, which I'm going to be refinishing. And the first step is to clean the furniture. So I'm wiping down the chairs, and then I'm going to take off the padding and reupholster that. So I flipped the chairs over, and I'm going to take the screws out so I can reupholster the fabric. So you just need to figure out where the screw holes are that go up into the seat part. So that's here, 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 and here. And I just used a hand screwdriver. Phillips took it out. I've removed the top padding of the first chair, and now it's time to take out the staples. Putting up the staples now. And then I take my needle nose pliers. And so you can see all these. So I'll proceed to finish taking off the liner, and then I will start with the fabric. And this is the perfect time to clean all the muck that has fallen down there in the chair. So when you put the new fabric on, you don't have all that dirt in there. So I've removed all the staples and the trim. And now what I'm going to do is pull this off and use it as a pattern to cut my new upholstery. After cutting out the pattern, I used the existing foam, and I used a staple gun to stretch the material and fasten it to the backing. So while I have the top of the chair off, I'm just going to go in and refinish or touch up actually the scratches that are on the chair, because I'm not refinishing completely the chair. I am going to refinish the table since it's kind of a different color than the chairs. But you just get the closest color stain you can, and then you just do some touch-ups. Now onto the table, which is in really rough shape. It has scratches, gouges, and some of the veneer is chipping. I've cleaned the top of the table off, and now I'm just going to fill in these areas here that need some putty. So I filled in all of the scratches from the top, and then the gouges that were around the side, and we're going to wait for that to dry, and we'll come back and do a sand over the whole thing. This is what it looks like after using a rotary sander with 120 grit sandpaper. After wiping down the table, I applied a yellow spray paint for a base for the gel stain. So I've already sanded with 320 grit sandpaper, wiped that down, and now I'm going to put on a gel stain. This is Minwax Walnut Gel Stain. After the stain was completely cured, I realized the color was too dark. So I'm sanding down and going to try a different color of gel stain. So the color wasn't right when I did the tabletop before. So I got the cherry wood gel stain. I'm hoping that it will match these legs better. So let's see what it's gonna look like. I'm really trying to make this table as beautiful as I can. In Isaiah 61:3, the Israelites are being reminded by Isaiah of what God can do amidst the hurt and the sorrow they were going through. God can create beauty for ashes. He is the judge, but he also will pour out love and favor for his people. So I like the color. There are some variations in the stain that I want to go over with. So I'm just going to go back with the walnut, and really any too light of stain that I don't like, I'm just going to take my small foam brush and go over that. So here, as you can see, there's a little bit too much red. So try to think more in like circles and horizontal lines. So there may be a knot in the wood, so that's where you would have a circle shape. So I think that's about where I want it. I'll show you in different angles here what it looks like. And here is the leg. So it really does match pretty well. The final coat, I applied a glaze mixture of half pouring medium and half of a beige colored paint that matched the upholstery. And I'm just going to wipe this on the top and then drag off with a dry brush. Final step is 3 coats of polyacrylic, sanding between each coat. Another large piece of furniture that has been saved from the dump for another family to reuse. Let me know what you've thought of this video. If you've liked it, please click on the thumbs up icon. Thanks for watching.